Today's dish is we will make a stir-fried noodles with tofu. So the ingredients are tofu, onion sliced, salt, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, pepper, oil, chopped cabbage, sliced carrots, sliced sweet peas, and also 4 packs of noodles. And I'm just going to cut tofu. I'm just going to slice it and then deep fry. So right here I already have preheated the oil. If you don't have a deep fryer, you can just heat oil in the deep casserole or a deep pot. Alright, the oil is now ready and we will deep fry the tofu. Just be careful. Okay, so once it's crispy, just remove it and set aside. Later we can cut. So after we've deep fried the tofu, just let it set and then we're going to cut it into bite pieces. Now let's preheat the casserole. Okay, once the casserole is ready, if you don't have a big casserole, you can use a wok. Alright, so we can see it's very hot. Let's now saute the garlic. Followed by onion. Next is the fishball. You can choose to cut the fishball or just leave it as it is. And then let's add the carrots. And then next is the cabbage. Let's add 2 cups of water. Mix them. And then cover it for 2 minutes. Alright, so after 2 minutes, we can see that the carrots and cabbage is already soft. And now we will add the sweet peas. Okay, we mixed it. And then we can now add the soy sauce. Salt, pepper, and then the noodles. And now let's mix them. Okay, so just keep mixing it until the noodles is fully coated with the sauce. Cover it for 1 minute. Alright, after 1 minute, we will have to keep stirring it until it's dry. But remember, you have to put it in a high fire, because stir frying is always in a high fire. Yes, keep mixing it so that the noodles will evenly absorb the taste, the flavor. Okay, as you can see, I keep stirring it and there is no sauce. It's just very little bit. So right now we will have to turn off the fire. And last thing we will add is the deep fried tofu. And mix. And there you go, it's ready to serve.